Button. Isn't this weird? My hair.
Why'd you open your mouth so much? Did you?
Are you not supposed to? Are you? How does it go in? And you said already being inside. There's no trajectory. Okay, your turn.
Did you even get any water?
I got a drop. It's good enough.
Dude, are you? Bro, check. She's like.
How do you do it?
Like this? You actually close your mouth.
Yeah. Oh, and then you suck from the top. Wow, you're good.